Hello everyone. In this lecture, we are going to solve this given radical expression, the square root of 2020 plus 4 times 2020 plus 2 plus 1. So there are two methods to solve this problem. The first method is K method. So let's talk about first method. So if I take what's inside the square root and copied it here. So this is 20 plus 4, 20 plus 2 plus 1. Leave the radical sign. So put 20 equal to k. This expression is k plus 4, k plus 2 plus 1. So open the bracket and multiply. So this is equal to k square plus 2k plus 4k plus 8 plus 1. So this is further equal to k square plus 2k plus 4k. This is 6k plus 8 plus 1. This is 9. This is our quadratic equation in K. This can be solved by factorization. So this is further equal to K square plus 6K. If I write 3K plus 3K plus 9. Next step, take the K common from the first two terms. Inside K plus 3. Next two term, take the plus 3 common. Inside k plus 3, this is equal to k plus 3, k plus 3. So this is further equal to k plus 3 square. Now come back to our original expression. So this whole expression, if I write k plus 3 square, so this is equal to k plus 3 square under root. So this square and this square root will eliminate. So this is equal to k plus 3. Now the value of k is 20. So this is 20 plus 3. So this is equal to 23. This is my final answer. I hope you like the first method. Now the second method. In this method, if I add 20 plus 4 and 20 plus 2, so this is equal to 2024, 2022 plus 1 under root. This 2024, if I write 2023 plus 1, and this 2022, if I write 2023 minus 1 plus 1 under root. This is our formula a plus b, a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So this is equal to 2023 square minus 1 square plus 1 under root. This plus 1 and this minus 1 will cancel because 1 square is 1. So we only left with 20, 23 square under root. So this square and this square root will eliminate. So this is equal to 20, 23. So this is my final answer. I hope you like both the methods. Thanks for watching.